Uba Charles Marngar habaship menta haka governor address uloong ba ngayeng hangne om nakbenta ka jing mentoy jonga lani ka party hanrei kum unong yelam ubadon ka jingkit kle UMLA jonga mahoti ulaya ro ye ka Sorkar jala bakala persyang ban pene ye ka chongsuk chongsany ha Khappud bar ka Assam bar uloong ba kum UMLA ba mi khmat ka mahoti ngamanjur bahakini kisnem ki briu jongi basyong basa ha Khappud bar ka Assam ki im hapadeng kasuk kasany kabatip kum ka Blok tu uloong ba nga ai khoblai kerpang yau chief minister berkumdu yau deputy chief minister bakila tuklar bat ngamla ban nyushu kat nosin bakila phone yau CM ka Karbi Anglong District Council berkumdu yau chief minister ka Assam hakmat jonga uloong ba nakwa ban pentip hapo ka jing dorbar thawan jong ka jala bahadin sanpo ars nem bayo ila ka jong ka jala kidon katto ka ni kisnong ha Khappud ka konsensi bangami khaman ngas ngukmen ban pentip bakalong ka sin ka banengkong ba u chief minister u ai ka school building leng ba ka CMSDF hakitu kisnong ka jing shna ya ka ni ka school building kala ya shakhamat
here not just for my own benefit, for my party benefit, but as a responsible leader, it is my duty to educate people to have a sense of gratitude. One little girl wrote an essay. Gratitude is the memory of the heart. I always remember when I was with the former Chief Minister as his personal assistant, Dr. Didi Lapang. He always told me, don't miss to say thank you and count your blessing. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I will not take much time. I'll just touch a few points on this motion of thanks on Governor Address. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, talking about Home Police. In the Governor Address, he mentioned that the main objective of the state government is to promote peace and security and well-being of its citizens. Yes, as a local representative representing Mauhati constituency, I agree that during the last year, our people in my constituency who live in border area with Assam, known as Blok 2, live in peace and harmony. I would like to thank to the Honorable Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Police for your kind intervention. I cannot count how many times our Honorable Chief Minister contacted the CEM of the Karbi Autonomous Council and also the Chief Minister of Assam in front of me. Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to inform this August House through you that after 52 years of statehood, there are some villages, schoolless village, in my constituency in border area. Today I'm happy to inform this August House that this is the first time that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya is given school building through his CMSDF in those villages. The construction of work is under process. This has shown that there is a peace and security in our state, especially in border area in my constituency. While standing here talking about that, I hope the people in border area agree with me. I have one request to Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge home. To you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, to kindly give more manpower of forces in Maulasnai outposts for the safety and security of the people in border area. Thank you so much, Honorable Chief Minister, for your goodness and kindness, and fulfill my dream for the people in border area. Point number 2, talking about the Public Works Department. We cannot deny the fact that our government is playing a crucial role in the state's development. We have seen by our own eyes that many roads projects have been sanctioned. Thank you so much for the 4 PMGSY roads have been sanctioned in my constituency. That is Maurong Road, 16 kilometers, the Maulasnai to Kudahati route, 20 kilometers, Pamlata Road, 8 kilometers, and the Lumphut Road, 16 kilometers. And thank you so much for the construction of many roads, including MBT, in my constituency. As you know, my constituency is needed more connectivity roads from one village to another village, and especially the 40 kilometers pending roads from Sonidan to Umsiang, Jaki Road, called Umsning Jaki Road. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, as I stand before you, I'm filled with immense pride and gratitude. Pride in the unwavering spirit of our people, and gratitude for the government, for the support and commitment shown by the government and our Chief Minister for the creation of new CNRD block. Thank you so much. This new block is not merely a structure. It is a beacon of hope, a symbol of progress, and a testament to our collective vision for a brighter future. In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. This block will provide us with the tools and resources necessary to uplift our communities, foster development, and enhance the quality of life for all. Once again, I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister and his cabinet. 52 years of statehood, my people from Amjong, from Ampreng, from border area, Umsiang area, they have to come about 110 kilometers to reach Umsning CNRD block. Just for the old age pension, just for the PMGAY schemes and other schemes. But today, after creation of new CNRD block Mauhati, it will be a blessing for my people of 66 villages to come to a nearby CNRD block with 40 to 30 kilometers. But sir, On behalf of the people of my Mahoti constituency, I'm standing here to request you to kindly make sure for the smooth functioning of this new CNRD block at the earliest possible. Thank you so much, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. As I have said, I will not take much time. But once again, I'm standing here to request. I'm standing here to request not only the people of my constituency, but the people of the state as a whole, that we should have a sense of gratitude. Not to point out our fingers, not just to point out our fingers to the present government. We should also look what the government has done in the last few years. With these few words, I once again congratulate our Chief Minister and his cabinet, and also I'm standing here once again to support the address given by the governor on the 28th of February 2025. With these few words, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I resume my seat. Thank you.